So we've got the Skoda Kamiq in the shop today. These cars and a lot of Volkswagens, Cupras, Skodas, they have what we like to call like a semi-privacy glass on the back. So it's a sort of greenish, bluish coloured glass, which is not very dark. So what a lot of customers want to do in this case is to just try and get the glass as consistent as possible across the whole car and try and eliminate a bit of that bluish green colour tone. So what we're going to do with this one is just test how dark the front and back windows are. We can then assess which films are going to be most suitable to, get it all as dark as we can legally, but eliminate as much of this sort of greenish blue colour tone as possible. So on the front door, we've got about 75–76% light transmission to start with. That's pretty normal for automotive glass. So we can use our 3M ceramic IR film on here. We'll get it right on the legal limit, which will be really nice. So on the back door, it's coming up at 45% light transmission. So what that means is if we were to put the same film on the front as we did on the back, even though the legal limit is darker on the back windows, it would make it darker than we can legally tint. So we need to actually use a slightly lighter film than the darkest legal 3M ceramic IR, so that in combination with this glass, we'll end up with as close to the legal limit as possible, but again, eliminating as much of this greenish colour in the glass to make it look as consistently black throughout the whole car.